This week on TJP News, Israeli pharmaceuticals company making COVID-19 vaccinations an easy pill to swallow. Israel's CropX partners with NASA to improve global food security. And Israeli company I-BrainTech leads the pack with athletic brain training. I'm Jeff Hopkins. Let's take a closer look at the top stories from the Startup Nation. Israel's Oramed Pharmaceuticals has a plan to revolutionize the world's COVID-19 vaccination strategy. Their solution? As easy as popping a pill. Their Oravax pill is an oral version of the vaccine candidate created by India-based Premas Biotech. This ingenious idea would simplify and speed up the global vaccination rollout plan. After all, a pill means no healthcare worker is needed to inject the vaccine. It can be taken in the comfort of one's own home. And most importantly, a pill can be stored at room temperature, negating any logistical cold chain issues when transporting from one country to another. The game-changing pill will move into Phase 1 testing soon, with the hope that regulations would be passed for the pill to be ready for distribution within 6 months. NASA's Food Security and Agriculture Program announced they will be teaming up with Israeli agritech analytics company CropX. The partnership forms part of NASA Harvest's mission to improve food security and sustainable agriculture across the globe in order to meet our ever-increasing demand. This data will be used by farmers, governments, and industry experts to improve agriculture decision-making by preserving resources and improving crop yields. This partnership between CropX and NASA Harvest shows incredible collaboration across the public, private, and academic sectors. And with these companies leading the way, the future looks bright for our global food security. Israeli startup I-BrainTech is taking sports training off the field and into the mind. Imagine playing FIFA or Madden, but instead of using a remote, you use your thoughts to control the players. This is the concept behind the sports tech company's AI-based training platform. The technology was originally created to help brain injury victims regain motor control, and now the company is using it to train athletes. Players wear a brain sensory cap that decodes their brainwaves and translates their thoughts of movements into simulated movements for a character on a screen. Over time, the feedback and repetition of a specific movement or drill actually rewires and enhances neural pathways in the athlete's brain, making the mind-body connection that leads to perfect results. This may sound like a sci-fi movie, but it seems to be the real deal. One of Russia's biggest soccer clubs, FC Zenit, used the tech with their players. After 6 weeks of neurotraining, they found their players' kicking speed and accuracy had improved by more than 30%, giving them a massive competitive advantage. Just shows what can happen when you harness the power of the mind. And you can harness the power of Israel's top minds and companies to grow your wealth. TJP is the investment vehicle to help you do just that. Visit thejerusalemportfolio.com for your stake in Israel's booming economy.